ó dàbí àwọn kan wá ní wọ́n ti fi bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà sílẹ̀. Àwọn tó ti bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà mọ́lé, àwọn tó kó bá bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Wọ́n bá ti fẹ́ ṣe party àbí tán ní ìkórí burúkú kan ṣe, wọ́n wá disseminate sí society wọ́n ti release bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà so that people will not use it against them, of which bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà is still in prison. Malo kankan wà á stay plan bẹ́ẹ̀ ìbúlẹ̀ fi sí mo dẹ̀ ní ìdẹ̀ because we gbọ́dọ̀ sọ receipt ẹni. Are they flagging? Fine. I'm on my live chat doing my own thing jejejeje. Adotoshi, I'm a Bojis lover. Failed actress. You'll be writing rubbish on my page. Is this your page? Is this your page? Can't you go on your own page? Is this your page? Failed actress. Adotoshi, I'm a Bojis lover. Is this your page? I'm on my page doing my own. Abi, how do you want to control the whole world with your failed brain? The failed actress herself. Then something happened there for yesterday. Adotoshi, failed actress, I'm a Bojis lover, has been calling herself ex-actress for the past 3 years. That's over 3 years ago. Ni failed actress. Adotoshi, I'm a Bojis lover. Loti pere ni former actress. Ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú kan condemn wa burúkú yẹn o. After 3 years of the failed actress calling herself ex-actress. So yesterday or day for yesterday, I now raised the flag of calling Amepo failed actress. And you are all crying. You are all crying. If you can deem it fit to call someone former actress, Abi, you should admit if they called you failed actress. You should admit it. I was on my own, doing my own. Ẹ̀yin lẹ wà lábẹ́ Amebo ni, because ó yẹ káwọn èèyàn bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ yín. Ẹ̀yin lẹ wà lábẹ́ Amebo. God bless you. Èèyàn kan sọ pé comment section disappointed Amebo yesterday. Hey, yeah, I was so happy. I am moral for real. Imagine if I didn't speak up. Imagine if I did not speak up. I will do my video. She will cut it and give it another narrative. The failed actress has been addressing herself former actress. All because she was desperate. She wanted me to leave the film industry. She was so desperate. Lójú ẹbí kí gbogbo àgbáyé fayé lẹ̀, it's not going to work. And I saw some fools like Ashamegun. You will go to prison. You guys are fools. Ṣé man gbẹ̀yàn lọ prison? Àwájọ bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà lójú. Àbájọ bàbá Suwe. Ilé ẹjọ́ wo ló máa sọ pé kó address èèyàn as former actress? Can you normally address as failed actress? Abemi jẹ́ regular customer yín. I am moral for you. If you can deem it fit to call someone former actress, you can be identified and called failed actress. Maybe you be calling yourself former actress over 3 years. Timo Mwe. Go on live already. You be addressing yourself former actress. I mean, after 3 years, and now address you failed actress. You're not saying you will go to court, you will go to prison. Is it not those fools that doesn't know their worth, their rights? You've been able to send to cheap prison. Those idiotic animals that doesn't know their left to right. Is that how they used to send people to? And those people that have been speaking to you, that have been sending to prison, you've never said anything. Àtàwọn tó ránṣẹ́ tó ti kú. Amebo, àwọn tó ránṣẹ́ ní Tom Jones. Tí wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní wọ́kú lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan. Ó tún wá lọ gbé òkú ọmọ lọ́mọ. Bọ̀bọ̀ tó kú lórí live chat yẹn. Jọ mú ní ìdíkìní before anything. Stapler. Ó lọ gbé òkú bọ̀bọ̀ tó kú yẹn lórí live chat. Bọ̀bọ̀ yóò wá fún wa rí o. Wá fún bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn rí ever. Even tí bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn bá wá fún wa, tá a bá lọ fún. Ìwọ ló pa. Àbí wọ́n kọ́ ló pa. Ìwọ ló pa. Failed actress Amebo Adotoshi discover ìwọ ló pa. Why do you always push fake narrative? Mo on life ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń pariwo. ṣé kò funny ìwọ tó lè pèyàn ní former actress lẹ́tí wọ́n ṣe lè pè ní failed actress ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni judiciary system wà work ni it works kọ́nà má jẹ́ ká ṣẹ́yàn ni if you are defending yourself wà kọ́ wà careful o ní kọjá yẹ that's all you will do tó bá ti kọjá yẹ defending yourself 280 fine. Imagine o ń pèyàn ní former actress ó pè ẹ́ ní failed actress olóhùn lọ kíjọ́ tó ti lọ kóòtù kí lórí mú bọ̀. mo ń béèrè pé ìjọ́ tó ti lọ kí lórí mú bọ̀ ṣé o tí mo ṣe ní jẹta yẹn ó dùn ẹbí kó kú àbí ṣé o jẹrin ó dùn ẹbí kó kú. DK Dare, you ask a question, I'm going to reply. I'm very busy, but I'm going to reply you. DK Dare, you ask a question. You said, when are you people going to settle these two of you? Two of who? DK Dare, two of who? May you and your children witness what they've done to Lizzy Anjorin in a negative way. May you, DKY Dare, may you and your children and your wife witness what they have done to me in a negative way. In billion folds. You guys are too dull, daft, and silly. You guys are crazy. So are you telling me I should not defend myself? Blocking. You are a fool. You are a big fuck. In fact, you are a pathetic, foolish man. Marie, to speak up. Big bomb, all of you tell anything one shaburu fún ẹni tó ń shaburu fún yẹn then speak up ẹ wá ní pọ́njà ẹ mọ sàárè ọmọ agbára àwọn tó ní ayé. You are a fool. You are a pathetic, foolish man. I was doing my live show. They will be cutting my live video and push another narrative. They've used a lot of fake video to sue me to court. They've used a lot of fake video to take me to station. When we get to police station, I always give police the full video and they always ask them, why are they in court? Èwo nínú yín ló lè gba eléyìí, èwo nínú yín náà ti ṣe eléyìí fọ́mọ ẹ̀. Ẹ máa ṣe, it's Amebo that posted it o. It was Amebo that posted this. It was Amebo that posted it. Èwo nínú yín ló lè gbà kan ṣe eléyìí fọ́mọ ẹ̀. Èwo nínú yín tó fẹ́ fojú sunkún ọmọ ẹ̀ tí ò ní rí ọmọ sí ló lè gbà kan ṣe eléyìí fọ́mọ ẹ̀. And they've been doing this to my children for a very long time and I kept quiet. Ẹ rí ẹni tó ń ṣe aburú, ẹ dẹ̀ rí ẹni tó ń defend rẹ̀, ẹ ló ń jà, ẹ ní jẹ́ èèyàn tọmọtọmọ. Sí, ṣé fọ́tò ọ̀rọ̀ tì mí rè? Mo ní ṣé fọ́tò ọ̀rọ̀ tì mí rè? Àbí? But they did not see this one, àbí? Èwo nínú yín ló gbàdúrà kan ṣe báyìí fọ́mọ. You all saw how Amebo has been bullying me every day. Amebo máa ń ṣe show fún mi, ó máa ń post nípa mi nothing less than 20 times in a day. Ẹ fi ọwọ́ gbé ọmọ yín sí ẹ mọ sàárè ọmọ yín. All of you trying to stop me from defending myself. Èwo nínú yín ló gbàdúrà kan máa stalk òun bí Amebo ṣe ń stalk mi, bí Gistlover ṣe ń stalk mi. Èwo nínú yín ló gbàdúrà kan stalk ọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣé ní tẹ́yìn dárúkọ yẹn ló wà lábẹ́ Amebo? Ṣé òun ló wà lábẹ́ Gistlover? Whenever we are addressing Amebo, Adotoshi Gistlover, you will be mentioning her name. Ṣé òun ló wà lábẹ́ Gistlover ti Amebo? Mombere. Now, this is another one. What is the meaning of this? I'm asking all the Abiamo. Let's read it together. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Let me read it out. Let me even show you guys. See. This is Chioma and the other person. What is the meaning of this? Because see, how many of you can take this? How many of you can take this? How many of you can take this? See, how many of you can take this? How many of you can take this? How many of you? I am asking you. Don't defend her. How many of you can take this? How many of you can take this? Only. How many of you can take this? This was posted by Amebo. This was posted by Amebo. Let's go to Amebo's page. Let's go to Amebo's page. Let's go to Amebo. Hurry, Amebo gist lovers. Hurry. 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 Gbogbo ilẹ̀ ní bó ṣe ń blọ́ọ̀gì. Blọ́ọ̀gì ọmọ mi. Àbí abẹ́ẹ̀rí ẹ ti kú ẹ̀ sí láyé. Àbí mo lẹ́ kú ẹ̀ sí láyé. Ẹ ti ṣán kú fáwọn tó níyín. Imagine telling a victim, when are you going to stop this? Ogun ló máa pa yín tọmọtọmọ. Ogun ló máa pa yín dànù tọmọtọmọ yín. Imagine èèyàn bully èèyàn every blessed day. Florida nígbà tí a ṣe birthday daddy ní January. Wọ́n rí nǹkan tó kọ. Àwọn olórí burúkú tó máa fojú sunkún ọmọ wọn. Wọ́n rí nǹkan tó kọ. Wọ́n rí o, gbogbo wọn rí tí n bá ṣe fídíò á lọ cut fídíò yẹn. Tí n bá ṣe fídíò á lọ cut fídíò yẹn. They will now be telling the victim to stop pé ìgbà òkìló pé kí ló dé that why ìtẹniyẹn ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n rí page ẹ̀ lórí Instagram. Wọ́n rí o. Wọ́n rí o every day ló ń blog mi, every blessed day ló ń blog mi, every blessed day ló ń. Wọ́n rí o they could see it. A cut video mi, a ṣe lé, a ṣe tọ̀, a ṣe tibí, a ṣe tibí. You all saw it. Èwo nínú yín ló gbàdúrà nǹkan tá Amebo, the failed actress Adotoshi Amebo gist lover. Èwo nínú yín ló gbàdúrà nǹkan tó ń ṣe fún mi, kan ṣe fọmọ yín. I was on my own doing show for Very Dark Man 4 days ago and 5 days ago. This unfortunate failed actress calling me former actress. When I reply my own, you guys will be mentioning names. Ṣé orúkọ tẹ́ ń dá yẹn ló wà lábẹ́ blog yẹn? Mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ pé ṣé orúkọ tẹ́ ń dá yẹn èmi bẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ti yín ni. Nobody go watch àpéjọ. Èmi bẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ yín pé ṣé orúkọ tẹ́ ń dá yẹn? Orúkọ tẹ́ ń dá yẹn. Imagine mo jókòó jẹ́jẹ́ mi mo ṣe show fún Very Dark Man. Kódà mo video yóò kọ́ ti o twist ẹ̀. Tẹ́ bá dọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀ lórí Facebook. Àbí Amebo lẹ fún ní license pé kó máa blog àwọn èèyàn. Mo ń bèrè pé Amebo yẹn lẹ fún ní license ìyẹn failed actress Adotoshi gist lover. Òun lẹ fún ní license. Àbí pé kó máa bully gbogbo èèyàn. Àbí mo fẹ́ sọ ọ̀rọ̀ tèmi Sunday náà bọ̀ kí kọ́kọ́ yanjú eléyìí. Abẹ́rò pé mo kàn déédéé máa ń ṣe show ni. Ṣé show kò sí ọlọ́pàá àbí ẹjọ́ tó máa ní pé kò pè mí lórúkọ kí n má pè é lórúkọ. Kò sí kóòtù àbí ọlọ́pàá ìtòrè náà sọ pé ká jẹ́ kí peace kó reign. Ẹ bá fẹ́ kí peace reign nílùú Nàìjíríà yìí ó ti ẹ̀yin ẹ kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ látòrí Amebo Adotoshi gist lover the failed actress. Olórí burúkú àwáyé má ṣe rere ẹ wò ẹ bá dé page ẹ it's all about Lizzy àti fọ́tò àti fídíò tí n bá polówó ọjà mi Lizzy ni o. Then Amebo Adotoshi gist lover the failed actress. Why tó jẹ́ pé àwọn tó ń bully London gist lover ló tún fi Amebo bully. Mo ń bèrè báwo ló ṣe rí bẹ́ẹ̀ kí ló tó ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lábẹ́ wọn kan àwọn olùṣe pàtàkì ṣẹgbọ́ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ rí nǹkan tó ń ṣe àbẹ́yìn orí nǹkan tó ń ṣe ẹ kú ẹ̀ sí láyé. Àbí ẹ̀kọ́ sísí mi ó ní pé èèyàn kan need to stand up at you to stop showing her daughter's picture at your show Okay, amebo ló lè show daughter mi lórí page ẹ. Kò sí ilé ẹjọ́ tó máa ní wípé kẹ́ show page mi lórí blog. Kí má wá gbé picture ọmọ mi tẹ́ gbé wá. Kí má kọ́kọ́ fi hàn aráyé according to law. Kò sí òfin. Since tẹ́ ti fi photo ọmọ mi sí. Tó bá jẹ́ pé kò sí photo ọmọ mi níbẹ̀, tí n bá gbé photo ọmọ lọ́mọ wá. Aha. Ìyẹn ni pé òfin mú ẹ lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Ó ti yé. Ìyẹn ni pé òfin ṣe kíni? Òfin mú ẹ lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Since you added the picture of my children, ẹ̀tọ́ mi ó fi hàn gbogbo àgbáyé láti fi hàn irú aburú tẹ́ ń ṣe kéde analyse. When Amebo Adotoshi Gistlover, the failed actress, posted it on Amebo Gistlover, according to òfin, ẹ̀tọ́ ẹ kọ lẹ́tà láti distance ara ẹ̀ àti láti distance ọmọ ẹ̀. The moment tó bá ti subject ọmọ ẹ̀ kó máa fi bully ọmọ lọ́mọ, ẹni tó lọ́mọ ẹ̀ náà lẹ́tọ̀ àti defend ọmọ ẹ̀. So Adotoshi go and get seated. Miniwayiti. Abi, is this thing posted on my page? No, it's posted on Amebo Gistlover's page. This, let me show you again. It's posted on Amebo Gistlover's page. This. Abi ayenyo, ta ló posted? Ọ̀dọ̀ Amebo ló wà. Evidence wà. Amebo ló posted. Boy yẹn ṣe fún ọmọ mi ni. Wá wò tó ṣe fún Florida. Wá wò tó ṣe fún Florida. Èyí tó ṣe fún Florida ní early this year. Ó lọ gbé ọmọ Lasisi ẹ lẹ́nu pẹ̀lú Florida orí. Pé kó no, mo sọ fún Lasisi pé kó do the needful. Wà rí pé nígbà tí mo sọ pé kí Lasisi do the needful. Wọ́n ti wá lọ ra pity because case ọmọ. Kò dẹ̀ sí òfin tó máa ní kẹ́ lu ọmọ lọ́mọ. The right ni mo ti ṣe yẹn, mo ti kọ́kọ́ pé Lasisi do the needful. Because Lasisi ò ṣe mí, omi ò ṣe mí. But èmi ò ní jẹ́ kó rí ọmọ tèmi. Ó ṣáà ní nǹkan tó kọ. Èèyàn mélòó ló ti condemn this failed actress Amebo Adotoshi Gistlover. Nígbà tí a ṣe birthday fún daddy ní January 7, gbogbo àwọn step kids mi ló blog. Èyí tó fi blog wọn ato 2 months back to back ló fi blog wọn. You don't understand? Mo tó bá ti mú Amebo tó bá ti add photo mi ò ṣáà bọ́mọ wí. Àbí nǹkan tí Amebo Gistlover Adotoshi, the failed actress, that posted it on her page, Amebo Gistlover. Respond ti yín sìn yìí ni wípé ṣé ní tẹ́yìn dárúkọ ló wà lábẹ́ Amebo Gistlover is a question. Until Nigerian government deem it fit to pick up Adotoshi Amebo Gistlover, the failed actress. Anu ruling party yín ṣe mí, tèmi ń ṣọlọ́run. Wọ́n ní pé tọmọdé bá ń gégi nínú igbó, àgbàlagbà ló máa mọ bí tó máa wó sí. Abi, Adotoshi Amebo Gistlover, we have a lot of videos, over 500 videos against her. So if you want to go to court or go to police station, I will gladly tender my evidence. Any page tó bá ti gbé photo ọmọ mi àbí photo mi, mo lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ àti gbé page yẹn wá láti fi nǹkan tó ń ṣe láti fi hàn gbogbo àgbáyé. Now, Amebo ó sọ pé ọmọ mi says girl. Ore. Only says girl ambassador. Jori nǹkan tó ṣe. And nobody condemn this. Nobody condemn this. Amebo, mo dúpẹ́ pé says girl ambassador. Àwọn tó dẹ̀ fi ọmọ mi wé, wọn lè tó ìkànnà ẹsẹ̀ ọmọ mi. Ti randíran wọn ti yá àti bàbá wọn. Ó ti yé. Ibi tí Ọlọ́run pọ́n èmi lédè tó pọ́n àwọn ọmọ mi lédè. We don't need any ambassador. Àwa la máa háyà èèyàn tá máa fi wọ́n ṣe ambassador. Àwọn sales representatives, àwọn gangan ni ambassador. Àwọn sales representatives, àwọn gangan ló ṣe ambassador. Ọmọ tó pè ní sales girl yìí, she's a CEO. Eléyìí tó pè ní sales girl yìí, àtẹ̀mí tó fi síbi tó fi sí. Ṣọ́rẹ́ eléyìí tó pè ní sales girl yìí, eléyìí tó pè lẹ́yìn sales girl yìí, eléyìí gangan she's a CEO to many companies, even unknown to her. Àwọn tó ń gba ambassador kiri, àwọn gangan ni sales girl. Wọ́n tí mo fẹ́ clear fún ẹ. Ṣé mo pa náà ní many companies tá ní ambassadors tá gbójú jáde ń bẹ̀. So league àwọn sales girls làwọn ambassador wà. Wà á rí pé ọmọ tó gbé síbi ìbẹ̀ ọmọ yìí nísìn, ọmọ eléyìí nísìn. Ibi tí wọ́n ti ń ta gold ló wà yìí. Ṣé orí bó ṣe múra yìí, àwa tá máa ń ṣiṣẹ́ alájàpá bá ṣe máa ń múra lílé torí a máa ń gbé owó sára lọ rajà. A kì í fẹ́ kí àwọn èèyàn mọ̀. So we will dress dirty bí irú èmi náà. Wà á rí pé gbàtà ṣe California mo ń dress dirty. Even up till now once in a while mo máa dress dirty. Wà á rí pé gbà tí mo lọ sínú Ìdúmọ̀tà tí mo lọ ra sewing materials, wà á rí pé mo dress dirty. But tá bá ti kúrò níbi ọ̀zù wa yẹn ẹ lè tó ìkan lọ ìṣẹ̀ wa àwa la máa fi coins pè yín nínú ọlá ńlá wa pé kẹ́ wá ṣe representative fún wa. Yes, coins la dẹ̀ máa fún yín owó tí ò ní ro wá lára owó tí ò ní pa wá ládàánù èrún owó tẹ̀ ní fi méèkì ẹ̀ láyé làwa ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ máa kó fún yín tẹ́ máa fi gbéra yín ní ambassador. ẹ jọ everybody tó bá ṣe ambassador, I'm not referring to you, I'm referring to Adotoshi Amebo Gistlover, the failed actress. Mo ti sori picture yìí àsìkò máa ń wà kò kí n sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ máa wà kò kí n sàsìkò. Sori picture yìí wọ́n máa ń lò everyday wọ́n pọ̀ tó máa ń lò. Ọmọ eléyìí kò lè ṣe ambassador. Sotí a lè fi sílẹ̀ sínú ayé pé a fẹ́ kó grow, a lè filẹ̀ pé kó lọ ṣiṣẹ́ cleaning kó ta gàrí kó tèlùbọ́ because an empire is waiting for her to manage in future. Èèyàn kọ́ ló pé mo gba monetization wèrè lẹ́nu yẹn. You don't understand? Ọmọ eléyìí this she's an empire owner, not a pathetic ambassador. Ìyá eléyìí ti ṣiṣẹ́, eléyìí ò ní ambassador mọ́. Ìyá eléyìí ti ṣiṣẹ́ fẹ́lẹ́ ó ti ṣiṣẹ́ fún ọmọ ìrandíran tẹ́bi ò lè pa wọ́n mọ́ láyé. Ìyá eléyìí ó ti ṣiṣẹ́. Ó ti ìyá eléyìí ò kì í ṣe àwọn ìyá olórí burúkú àtòbò jẹun. Ó ti kò kì í ṣe àwọn ìyá tó ṣẹ̀ máa retí pé kọ́ ọmọ owó tó fi do wá kọ́ wá jẹun. I just want to clear the air. Station àti court tẹ́ bá fẹ́ gbé lọ ẹ tètè òun ni wípé eléyìí kọ́ ni sales girl o eléyìí own empire, she's an empire owner. Nítorí pé ó ti mature àgbàlagbà ọmọ ni a gbọ́dọ̀ filẹ̀ nínú ayé kó ṣe normal thing torí wọ́n fi àwa náà lẹ̀ tá a ṣiṣẹ́ tá a fi gbọ́n. So ó ní bá ṣe máa ń build empire owner àti bí wọ́n ṣe máa ń build olóṣó owner, because this one is not an olóṣó olódo owner, is an empire owner. So for those of you ẹ rí pé gold náà ń tà níbi tó wà ẹ rí pé gold ìlú òyìnbó ló wà kì í ṣe Nàìjíríà ló wà o nígbà pé Ìtàló or Dubai mi mọ bí tó wà bíbá ìṣá jẹ́ pé Dubai àbí Ìtàló ló wà bíbá owó dẹ̀ wà lára ẹ̀ ọkọ jẹ́ pé káàdì wà lára ẹ̀ so ó máa ní bí ká lọ sí Paris náà ni tó bá lọ sí Paris ó máa dress dirty so that wọ́n ní fojú sí ẹ lára wọ́n ní gbowó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ so owó wà lára ẹ̀ bíbá yìí ọkí káàdì tó lọ fi rajà ó wà lára ẹ̀ ní bíbá then tó bá ra ọgbọjà yẹn tán abẹ́ aṣọ ẹ̀ àbínú bàjẹ́ ló máa gbé sí tó máa borí so ìmúra yìí ìmúra tẹ́ pé wọ́n tètè fojú sí ẹ lára àwa ti train wọn àwa ń train àwọn empire owner àwa ò kì í train àwọn olóṣó owner. She does not need any ambassador. So ẹ lọ stop gbogbo video yìí tẹ́ máa ń gbé kiri. You guys should go and stop it. You guys should go and stop it. You guys should go and stop it. Then eléyìí another one. Fumi Space. Only Kinikon is the perfect role model for your daughter. She stay in school, finished, built her business, met and married a man who loves and adores her with no baby mama drama. So are you referring to Chioma that she's dragging Kinikon? Or you referring to Lizzy Anjorin that she's dragging with baby mama? Did I forget never got pregnant before marriage as a zero online drama? Let me tell you something. You cannot compare Chioma with any other person. Likewise, you cannot compare Lizzy Anjorin to any other person. Everybody comes with his or her grace in life. If you want your children to fail in life, then you will start comparison. The moment you start comparison with your children, as a mother, as a father, you already failed. Meanwhile, ọmọ mi tó gbé nǹkan sí lórí lẹ́ẹ̀kan. This is a real picture when she was here, when she was in Nigeria. Òun lélẹ̀, ọmọ mi tó gbé nǹkan sí lórí lẹ́ẹ̀kan, òun lélẹ̀. Kí n tó máa lọ mọ́ bọ̀. Òun lélẹ̀, ọmọ mi tó gbé nǹkan sí lórí lẹ́ẹ̀kan, òun lélẹ̀. Look at her dressing, look at her outfit. Àti rajà tán sí àti ń bọ̀ wálé. Shey you see? Let me show you. Àti rajà tán nísìnyí àti ń bọ̀ wálé. Shey you see how she dress? Shey you see her stature? She has bum, she has breast, and her waist is very tiny. So àti rajà tán níbí báyìí, mo ń bọ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n wò bóyá màá rí, okay. Mo ń bọ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n wò bóyá màá rí picture ẹ̀. So now you understand she's an empire. Shey, Adotoshi Amebo Gistlover, the failed actress, that you always blog my children. Nǹkan tí ó yẹ ni wípé how we trained the empire owner is different from how we trained olóṣó olódo owner. So now this is my daughter. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n wò. Òun lélẹ̀ nínú business class níbí báyìí lálàkọ́kọ́. Ẹ wo Rolex ọwọ́ ẹ̀. Òun lélẹ̀. Ẹ rí Rolex ọwọ́ ẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n wá another picture síta. Màá rí another picture. Okay, òun lélẹ̀. Mo ti fi ńgbà tó wà Nàìjíríà rí. Ẹ ti rí Rolex tó wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Gold ló dẹ̀ wà lọ́rùn ẹ̀. Ẹ má gbàgbé pé seat tó jókòó sí, this is first class seat. This first class seat was never sponsored by any man. This first class seat was never sponsored by her boyfriend. This first class seat was never sponsored by a stranger. This first class seat was never sponsored by her mother's agbesun. This first class seat was sponsored by herself because she worked for it. These are empire's owner. These are leaders of tomorrow. We allow them láti múra bí ẹrú níbi tí wọ́n ti ń ṣiṣẹ́. And we allow them to enjoy like a king and queen. I can remember kó tó lè afford irú city yìí as àtìgbà tá ya photo yìí. O gbọ́dọ̀ ní owó gidi lọ́wọ́ kó tó lè afford, because as of today city tó jókòó sí yóò less than 32 million naira per head. Tó bá ń ṣe promo bóyá 22 million naira. As of today city tó jókòó sí, and it was never sponsored by any man. It was never sponsored by our mother's agbesun. It was never sponsored by our Tombason. It was sponsored by herself for herself. So for those of you, if you want to buy this seat today, it's about 32 million, 28 million. Today, today we are 32 million. Me going to 47 million. Per head, what depend the tickets here. What depend. No man promo we are 22 million, 23 million. No man promo we are 18 million, 14 million per seat. But the moment man know Nigeria of today could only afford the whole way. So let me no option with this clapback. So gbogbo ite man ṣe te man ba ya àwọn èèyàn jẹ́ kó lè rí yín. Don't rí orinu seat tower. Orinu seat tower because it's a special seat. Look at the lotto mẹ́fà at the one business class. Òun lélẹ̀. Ngbo. Òun lélẹ̀. Èmi dìde lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́, èmi mo dìde lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mi, èmi lè mi jaje jókòó ni, èmi mo ya. Ẹ ti seat ẹ lélẹ̀, kò rent ẹ o. Ẹ rí kó seat belt. O belt, ẹ rí kó belt o. Depending, we went to like almost 4 to 5 countries. Ṣẹ́tìrí òun rè é ẹtìrí so tábà lọ rajà jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ jẹ́ mọ́ ẹsẹ̀ tábà lọ rajà so tábà lọ ra ọjà ṣọ́tì yẹn ẹ yé gbé fọ́tò ìgbà tá lọ ra ọjà àti ń lọlé níbí báyìí now hold on mo ń bọ̀ kí n má lọ fẹ́kẹ̀ mo ń bọ̀. Mo ma jẹ́ mo ṣe ní nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ lò bí. So tá bá lọ rajà, this is how we look like. This is how we look like tá bá ti lọ ra ọjà. This is what we look like tá bá ti lọ ra ọjà. Ṣẹ́tìrí Amebo, you are the one that posted it. Tá bá ti lọ ra ọjà, this is how we look like whenever I want to go and buy market. But whenever we are coming home, this is how we dress. This is how we dress. As you can see, as at there, this is Rolex. And she's rocking 80, you know, ever wait Florida, set earring, you know. This is a customized Versace 18 karat. Bag will look, you know. Boya Prada, big of me, more bag to Besha. Boya Prada or me, more Boya Pericardine or Prada or something. Setili, no, I just if you become okay, only. Every pay me the Mijoko Sibi, I can't just have one. Immediately Mijoko Sibi, at the Bata to Alesse. I just have one chain. About one chain, Eric Gold in it. Ṣẹ́tìrí Eric Gold ni tẹ́ bá wẹ̀rí Rolex ló wọ̀ yẹn, and that is money, that is very very expensive 18 karat only. She lived a very simple life, very very simple life. Every bàtà tó wà lẹ́sẹ̀, I think this is latest Michael Kors then òun ló lóun fẹ́ latest then àìkíní kan ṣáà lórúkọ kan tó máa ń pè ṣá ó ṣáà lóun fẹ́ see you see. So ẹ jẹ́ kí n fi hàn yàrá Instagram, ẹ jẹ́ kí n fi hàn yàrá Instagram. So gbogbo stand up for your children yẹn ẹ tán ra yín ni o. Emma stand up for. So Tabalo Raja, this is how we look like. She was never a sales girl. She was never a sales girl. We went to go and buy gold. This is gold business. Anytime Tabati Laura gold, this is how we dress down. And Laura gold in Biba, you know. So she was never a sales girl. She is an empire's owner. She owns many businesses. Even some businesses are not to her. You know her mother has worked for her. So let me show you when we are going on. Estate owner, estate owner, estate owner. So when we are going on here, our message lele, as you can see, every spot to one way, we share one more day. 18 karat gold. She live a very simple life, and we allow her to live a private life, no competition. We've never brought her to do comparison to anybody. As you can see, it was latest, then it was expensive. Don't make a cost be our latest brand one. So look at her wristwatch. This is customized Versace 18 karat gold. So whenever we are going home, this is how we dress and this is how we live our life. Me, I was once sitting here. That's why they served me orange. Why they served her? I don't know. Maybe they served her. I don't even remember what they served her anymore. So she was never a sales girl. Why are you showing? Because it was Amebo. Look at what Amebo posted. This is what Amebo posted. This is what Amebo posted on her page, and she has been posting my children against other people's children. It was Amebo that posted this, and BC Ashamegu posted this too a lot. So today I am standing up for my daughter and clear her name that she was never a cis girl. Instead, she worked like a servant and she lives like a real queen that she is. As you can see, this seat she's sitting on was never bought by a man or a based on a boyfriend. So you understand? She lived a good life, a very good and decent life. As you can see, two of us, we live a very good life. We work like a slave and live like a queen that we are. That is, she was never a sales girl. Her mother owned an estate. Her mother is an estate owner. Her mother was never Olosho or a failed actress. Her mother is a successful actress, a successful business tycoon. So now, I want to bring this again. I want to bring this again. This is Chioma. And the reason why I'm analyzing this is to help the youth to understand what life is. Are you with me? Is to help the youth. And so we pay the other one to by the right is the perfect role model for her daughter. She stayed in school, finished, built her business, met and married a man who loves and adores her with no baby mama drama. The truth is, destiny is different.